Imagine waking up in the breathtaking wooden house with a unique curved roof, surrounded by nature's beauty with its glass walls blending seamlessly with the landscape, a cozy deck with wooden stairs, and a hammock swaying between two trees. This home is perfect retreat, and just beyond, the serene view of mountains and lush greenery make it even more magical. And ready to explore this architectural gem? Let's dive in. This is not just a tiny home, it features massive glass window that brings the outside in, and a planar wooden raised ceiling that adds a touch of elegance, and wooden deck that offers the perfect spot to soak in those breathtaking forests and mountain views. And of course, inside we have got a cozy loft bed, a fully functional kitchen, and a minimalist lounge area, all beautifully designed with a warm, inviting ambience. And I can't wait to take a closer look, so let's jump right in. Oh wow, just look at this. The first thing that immediately stands out is huge glass windows. This they completely transform the space by letting in tons of natural light while giving you an uninterrupted view of the forest and mountains outside. Imagine waking up to this view every morning. Absolutely magical. And check out this planar wooden raised ceiling. This is such a beautiful design choice. Instead of a flat boxy ceiling, and the raised angle add depth and dimension to the space, making it feel much larger and more open. And plus, the wood finish brings such a cozy, natural warmth to the interior. It's modern yet inviting. Now let's talk about the kitchen. Even though this is a tiny home, the kitchen is incredibly well designed with plenty of counter space, modern appliance, and smart storage solution. And everything feels sleek and minimalist, with a natural wood and natural color palette that keeps the space looking clean and uncluttered. It's amazing how they have managed to fit everything you need into such a complex space while keep it functional and stylish. And now moving to the staircase. Yes, not a ladder, but an actually staircase to the loft bed. This is such a great touch because it makes getting up and down way easier and safer. And once you are up here, wow, the view from the loft is just incredible. And the large window continue up here, making the space feel bright and open. And despite being compact, it feels so cozy, like the perfect retreat to curl up and relax after a long day. And now this little lounge setup is just perfect. There is small table and comfy chair, making it a great spot to work, read, or just enjoy the view. And because of the open floor plan and glass walls, the entire space feels way bigger than you would expect in a tiny home. And this one of my favorite parts, the wooden deck. Just imagine stepping out here in the morning with a cup of coffee, feeling the fresh air, and taking in that stunning mountain and forest view. It's like having your own private gateway in the middle of nature, and the deck extends the living space beyond the walls, and making this tiny home feel even more expansive and connected to its surroundings. It's the perfect place to relax and unwind. I have to say that this tiny home is beyond impressive. From the huge glass window that bring in natural light, and to the beautifully wooden ceiling, and to the functional yet stylish kitchen and loft space, everything about this design is so well thought out. And let's don't forget that amazing wooden deck with breathtaking views of the forest and mountains. And it's the perfect combination of modern comfort and natural beauty, a place where you can truly escape and relax. Now, when you think of a tiny home bathroom, you might imagine something small and cramped, right? Well, prepare to be blown away because this bathroom is anything but that. It features huge glass windows that bring in natural light and offer stunning views of the forest and mountains. There's also a planar wooden raised ceiling that adds an elegant and spacious feel, and get this luxury bathtub where you can soak in the view while unwinding in total relaxation. And I can't wait to check out all the details. So let's jump right in. And wow, just look at this space. The first thing that immediately stands out is how open and airy it feels, and the huge glass windows are just stunning. Instead of feeling closed off like most bathrooms, this one embraces the natural surroundings, allowing you to the bath while enjoying the beautifully view of the forest and mountains. Can you imagine taking a bath here, watching the sunset, or waking up to the golden morning light filtering through the trees? That's next level relaxation. And now let's talk about the planar wooden raised ceiling. This is such a beautiful architectural feature, and instead of a standard flat ceiling, the raised angle gives the room a more spacious and dynamic feel. And it also enhances the lighting, making the whole space feel warm and inviting. And the natural wood finish adds a touch of rustic charm, perfectly complementing the modern glass elements of the room. And okay, um, this is the highlight, the luxury bathtub. This is not just any bathtub. It's deep, spacious, and perfectly positioned right next to the huge glass window. And just imagine soaking in a warm bath surrounded by nature without a single worry in the world. And the way the light hits the water, the way the space feels so connected to the outdoors, it's literally like having a high-end spa in your own home. And now moving on the toilet and vanity area, you can see how well everything is designed. The toilet is sleek and modern, positioned neatly to maximize space. And then there is the worst of all. I love how it's designed with minimalist aesthetic, blending seamlessly with the wooden and glass elements of the room. And above the sink, we have the large mirror that helps reflect light, making the space feel even bigger and brighter. And of course, there's an exhaust fan to ensure proper ventilation, keeping everything fresh and airy. And now, here's something you don't see every day: a bathroom with a direct connection to a wooden deck. That means after a relaxing bath or refreshing shower, you can step outside, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and just soak in the peaceful surroundings. It features make the bathroom feel even more like a luxury retreat. It's just not a place to get ready for the day. It's a place to unwind, recharge, and reconnect with nature. And I have to say, this tiny home bathroom is one another level. It completely redefines that what a small bathroom can be. And from the huge glass window, that breathtaking views, the planar wooden ceiling and luxurious bathtub, and every detail is designed to create an experience that is both functional and luxurious. And let's not forget to the wooden deck. Having outdoor connection makes this bathroom feel even more space. Is feel even more special, like something straight out of a high-end resort. Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now, only focus on theme and material and color composition. And this does not mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and synchronized layout between the exterior and also the interiors. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you about useful ideas and useful inspiration. And thanks for watching. Thanks for enjoying this video until the end. And have a good day. And just wait for my next video. Bye bye.